Hello, my name is Pallab Chakraborty, the Honorable Teacher, my respected teacher. I want to give a speech on flywheel. Introduction. A flywheel, in essence, is a mechanical battery, simply a mass rotating about an axis. Flywheels store energy mechanically in the form of kinetic energy. They take an electrical input to accelerate the rotor up to speed by using the built-in motor and return the electrical energy by using this same motor as a generator. Flywheels are one of the most promising technologies for replacing conventional lead acid batteries as energy storage system. Main function of flywheel: it stores the mechanical energy, basically rotational energy, of the engine and deliver it when required. Why we need flywheel? So we need a device which can store the power during power stroke and deliver that power to the remaining strokes when required. This could be done with the use of a flywheel. The flywheel stores the power during the expansion or power stroke and then imparts this power to the remaining strokes of the engine for its working. In four-stroke engine, we have four strokes, that is suction, compression, power and exhaust stroke. Only in the power stroke we get power, and in the rest of the stroke the power is required to perform different process like suction, compression and exhaust process. Main function. What is flywheel? Flywheel is a circular wheel attached to the crankshaft of the engine that store the mechanical energy of the engine during power stroke and imparts that stored energy to the preparatory strokes, that is suction, compression and exhaust stroke, during the engine working. Construction of flywheel. Flywheel is a circular wheel made up of steel or cast iron. Depends upon the application. It also acts as part of clutch mechanism and fluid drive unit. It has teeth on its outer edge which is meshed with the teeth of the electric cranking motor driven pinion, and it used to crank to rotate crankshaft the engine during its starting. Working of flywheel. Out of four strokes, we get power only in single stroke, that is power stroke, and in the remaining three strokes, power is required for the intake of fresh charge, compression of fresh charge, and for the exhaust of burn gas. During power stroke, the engine tends to speed up and tends to slow down during the remaining three strokes. But flywheel, due to its moment of inertia, resists the speed up of engine during power stroke and resist the slowdown of engine during preparatory strokes. It stores the energy, basically rotational energy, when the engine tries to speed up and imparts that energy to the engine when it tends to slow down. In this way, the flywheel keeps the engine running at constant speed, which is essential for the smooth working of the automobile. Application of flywheel. Punching press.